miracle just happened.
The prince is looking for a girl with this kind of hair?
Oh la la! How interesting!
Come on, girls, let's go.
Oh, our salon is very happy to welcome you.
Me first, me first.
All right, come here, Comet Girl. First, let's wash the hair.
Okay.
Is the water warm enough, ma'am?
Yes, yes. That feels so refreshing.
And now, we'll rinse off the foam. Blow dry your hair nice and dry. Don't forget to brush and style the hair. All right, now let's braid it. Add a bow on top.
The service is amazing. Wow, look at me. Beautiful. I like my hair.
Okay, next is the mischievous Moon Girl's hair. Finally, the Rainbow Girl.
Yeah, we're all done!
Ta-da!
Hey girl, look at this. There's also a notice behind us.
Here.
What?
A mysterious house? Don't worry, we can fake that house too.
Yes, yes, I agree. Let's start with my house first. I think the house they're looking for is the comet's beautiful silver black color. Then shape some black clay. We need a shell-shaped chair. Next are some pitch black octopus legs. Attach them underneath as the chair legs. And that's done. Hey, I want to use a transformation potion a bit.
Ooh la la, this is a hard choice. Each potion creates a different item. Okay, let's pick this one. Let's see. Ooh la la, it's a potion jar.
Wow, perfect! This must be the house the prince is looking for.
Place the jewels here, Moon Girl. Wow, it's so sparkling.
Now let's take a little break.
Wow, here it is! A love spell! Hey, stop there!
Caught it! Oh, wow!
Yes, amazing!
I think we need a bed.
Okay, a bed with lots of soft layers to make it super comfy. Oh, wow! Those butterflies are so beautiful! Put them here.
Wow, amazing! I like it!
Anyone would fall in love with this room.
Hey, hurry up! I need a house too!
All right, my rainbow goddess.
I'll need some ocean waves for a beautiful bathtub. Attach them like this.
We're done! Everything looks great! Huh?
Who is my true love?
Us! Us! Hello.
Let's see.
Ta-da! Look at my hair, my prince.
Not quite.
Look at me.
Not you!
Then it must be me.
No!
Hello, prince.
Oh, here it is. My love.
Let's go. There's nothing interesting left here.
Come here, honey. Oh my gosh! What is this?